Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to change date format in Excel. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So it is actually quite simple on how you can change the date format in Excel or Microsoft Excel. So first, as an example, I'm going to type in a date. So, for example, November 10th, 2023. So, that's that. And then, if I want to change the date format for my sample right here, what I can do is to just simply click into that specific cell where the date is typed in. Then, after that, you'll see this section right here that says date. So, in this bar, you just simply click the down button or down arrow rather. So, click the down arrow, and then on this down menu, what you need to do is to click onto this most bottom part right here that says more number format. So click into that, and then on this part you will see different date formats that you can choose from. So you can just go ahead and choose from it. So for example, I'm going to choose this format right here. So after you choose that format, just simply click OK. And then as you can see, the change or the format is now changed into that specific format that you've chose in this section. So again, click here and then more number formats, and then just select from the options that you have. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.